Ever felt your phone die when the best adventure begins? Stay tuned. I'm revealing the top 5 best solar backpack chargers for travelers 2026 that will keep you powered everywhere you go. You'll discover reliable, travel-tested picks that solve real problems. So check the links in the description to grab yours. At number 5 is BLAVOR 10 Watt. Ever had that sinking feeling when your phone dies at the peak of a trek or during a sunset shoot? The BLAVOR 10 watt portable solar charger solves that exact pain by turning sunlight into usable power wherever you wander. Light enough to clip on your pack, yet rugged and foldable for real off-grid journeys. Its dual USB-A and USB-C ports deliver steady charging in direct sun, and the durable build keeps it going through dusty trails and campouts. While its 10-watt output won't match bigger panels in raw energy, this charger balances weight, price, and convenience for minimalist travelers. For anyone exploring remote terrains in 2026, it's a dependable component among the top 5 best solar backpack chargers for travelers, 2026, that keeps essentials alive without tethering you to an outlet. At number 4 is FlexSolar 40 Watt. Imagine staring at the sun-soaked horizon only to realize your gadgets are gasping for battery. The FlexSolar 40 Watt solar panel turns that sinking fear into pure thrill by delivering real charging power on the trail. With 6 fold-out panels and robust USB-A, USB-C, and DC outputs, it catches rays with a broad surface and keeps phones, tablets, and even small power stations topped up during long hikes. Its mix of rugged build and substantial wattage makes it a standout pick among gear you'll see on lists like Top 5 Best Solar Backpack Chargers for Travelers 2026. Perfect when outlets are miles behind you. It's not featherweight and charging speeds dip without full sun, but for off-grid journeys, it's a practical bridge between weight and real power capacity. On number 3 is BigBlue 28 Watt. You might think a foldable sheet of panels can't fuel your wanderlust until the sun turns it into your personal power station. That's the everyday magic of the BigBlue SolarPower 28, a 28-watt folding solar charger that turns open sky into juice for phones, power banks, GPS units, and tablets while you explore on foot, bike, or van life adventures. Often found on Top 5 Best Solar Backpack Chargers for Travelers 2026 gear lists. It crops down to a notebook-sized package, unfolds into 4 efficient panels, and grabs sunlight even in less than perfect angles, giving meaningful energy where outlets don't exist. Charging multiple devices at once is possible thanks to its trio of USB ports, though spreading power across them slows things down a bit, a trade-off for flexibility. It's not feather light, but for adventurers craving real solar output on the move, this panel delivers practical freedom without cumbersome bulk. At number 2 is SOLUPUP 30 Watt. Here's something most travelers don't expect. Even a bright, sunny day can leave your phone dying if your charger can't keep up. That's the exact frustration the SOLUPUP 30 Watt solar charger quietly fixes. You unfold it, angle it right. Suddenly, sunlight becomes usable energy on the move. Built with efficient monocrystalline panels, it converts over 23% of solar energy into real charging output, powering phones and power banks during hikes or remote trips. Smooth setup, dual USB ports, smart chips adjust power safely. Now, compare it to some other similar ideas, but this one leans more toward budget-friendly practicality. Still, output depends heavily on direct sunlight, and there's no battery storage. For travelers exploring off-grid routes in 2026, it's a flexible, no-fuss companion that turns daylight into dependable energy when it matters most. Now moving to the last one is BLAVOR 30 Watts. There's a moment when the midday sun hits just right, and your dead phone suddenly sparks hope. That's the kind of relief the BLAVOR 30-watt solar charger brings to real outdoor travelers. This foldable panel uses efficient monocrystalline cells and delivers up to 30 watts of solar power with USB-A QC 3.0, USB-C, and DC outputs, so you can keep phones, tablets, and small gear alive during hikes, campouts, and off-grid trips. Exactly what people look for in Top 5 Best Solar Backpack Chargers for Travelers 2026 gear. The rugged, water-resistant build takes the elements in stride, and the compact fold-up design fits in most packs easily. It's not a magic overnight generator. Power still depends on sunlight. But for explorers who want steady juice without grid ties, this charger turns sunshine into practicality on the trail. The clear winner is BLAVOR 30 watts, and it delivers the perfect balance of power, portability, and real-world usability. With up to 30 watts output and 24% solar conversion efficiency, it charges faster than smaller 10-watt panels while staying lighter than bulky 40-watt options. Multiple outputs, USB-A, USB-C, DC, make it far more versatile for travelers. Unlike others, it's built for durability and efficient outdoor use. If you want reliable charging without carrying extra weight, this is the smartest investment for travel freedom. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best solar backpack chargers for travelers 2026. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.